Using this, today I am going to explain you the three-dimensional crystal lattice. So we will use to call it as unit cell. Unit cell means a cell which is having a single complete parameters which can resemble the whole solid itself. So now I am showing you a cube which is three-dimensional in nature, and this cube contains various parameters. I will explain you now. See here the 8 green color components, and these components are called the basic lattice points of a primitive cube. Basic lattice point of a primitive cube. And this primitive cube contains 8 corners. The basic lattice points in a primitive cube is 8. So 8 corners. So the green color substances are called as corners, and this is going to be the edge. This is going to be the edge, and this is your face. The 4 corners connected towards it will constitute, and we can able to see this as a face. So this is a face. So every two faces, that means this face and this face, every two faces can connect through an edge. So how many faces we are having? We are having 6 faces here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5th and 6th one. So we are having 6 faces in this cube. Okay. And how many edges we are having? How many solid lines are connecting here? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And I'm changing this direction. 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we are having 12 edges which is connecting a cubic crystal. Now angles in this. So we can able to take a corner for our reference. Clearly we'll define the angles, various angles present or various axes present in this cube. So this is angle 1, it is alpha, and this you can take it as angle 2 between this, angle 2 beta, and this is the third angle gamma. And here we are having a face diagonal. This is going to be a face of a crystal, and this diagonal is called as face diagonal. If I am taking two face diagonals, these two face diagonal will bisect at a point. And when it is bisecting at a point, when an atom is existing at this particular point, it is called to be face centered cube. And this is a face centered cube, and here I have connected to the only one face. So similarly like this, we will be having atoms at all the 6 faces. Similarly like this, we will be having atoms at this position at the center of the face in all the 6 faces. Now see here, and this line is body diagonal. You can 3-dimensionally able to imagine this. This is a body diagonal. So it crosses the body. Okay, it is about to touch its center of gravity. So if suppose I am connecting one more body diagonal, and these two body diagonals will bisect at a point. These two body diagonals will bisect at a point, and this is going to be the center of this cube. Overall, the 3-dimensional center of this cube. If you are having an lattice point at this 3-dimensional center of the cube, okay, then it is going to be the body centered cube. This is body centered cube. You can able to imagine this is a body centered cube. Okay. So body centered cube contains only one atom at the center. Now considering this lemon as a complete atom, I am going to explain what is the part of an atom which exists as the corner atoms, the face centered atoms and the body centered atoms. It is going to be the part which is present in a 3 dimension. in this 3 dimension we can able to find this central part. It is going to be a whole atom. It is going to be a whole atom at the center of body. So body centered cube will contain one full atom at the body center, and in the 8 corners this is supposed to be shared between 8 unit cells. A unit cell, one single unit cell is shown here. Likewise we are having 8, that means 1 2 3 4, and the top we are having 4, and this one single atom will be now it is divided into 8 halves. So 1/8 part of an atom will present at each corner. 1/8 part of an atom will present at each corner. Okay, I will bisect it and I will show you. Okay, this is going to be a whole atom which is present at the body center of every body centered cube. Now I am bisecting this into 2, so we can able to find 1/2 of the atom which can be present at each face center. So each face center will contain one of the atom which is shared by 2 crystal lattices or 2 cubic crystals. So it is going to be 1/2 part of this atom in this cube. In this cube will be there. So that is face center. This particular point is face center. And this is 1/4 part of an atom. This is 1/4 part of an atom which is going to occupy every edge centers. So this is edge, and if you are having an edge center, it will be occupying like this. It will be occupying like this. So every edge center is occupied by 1/4 part of an atom, and this is the 1/4 part of an atom which is constituting every edge centers. Okay, this is 1/8 part of an atom which is going to constitute every corners of a unit cell. Every corners of a unit cell is contributed with this 1/8 part of an atom.